This video is to show you how to use Canva to do a Instagram post of your before and after of the 3D scans. Step one, we're going to go to your 3D scan profile, go to comparisons, and you want to find a view of your avatars that looks good and take a screenshot. You'd either take a screenshot of each one or them together and save to your desktop. You should have something like this. Now we're going to go open up a web browser and go to Canva. You can have an account for free. If you search before and after, there's a bunch of templates here that you could use, and then you could simply customize them. On the left side, it's cut off here, but there's usually an asset folder, so you can upload your photos. And from here, it's really as simple as dragging your images from the left and putting them on any of the template elements. So for here, we're going to put it on the right block. We're going to double click it, and you can see you could adjust it, resize, do things like that. You could also go into any other places in the template and modify text elements or colors. And then from there, in the upper right corner, you download, upload to any of your favorite social media platforms. And this is where you can really promote any of your clients as case studies to help market your brand and improve your program. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you very much.